So here's Big Ten Plus app, and to download it, you can just tap Get, and yeah, it's climbing to the charts in the top charts in the sports category in US App Store. And the thing is, like, yes, this is one of the top apps to watch college sports in US, like men's basketball, women's basketball, wrestling, hockey. Yeah, it's like thousands of big events, thousands of live events, replays. Yeah, so it's kind of schools. You can see sports for all these schools. Um, and it's just dedicated to in-depth coverage of America's most storied collegiate conference and the Big Ten Conference. Live streaming, next day on-demand replays, on-demand original programming, and classic games. So yeah, here you can just open it up, and then you just have this, and then you just have home. You can just continue which schools you want to receive notifications from. And then this is just how it works. You can see all the live events, but I think this app is only available in US, so you just need to be there. And then you can see all the channels for each university, and then you can just see a nice schedule here. Then you can just filter all the events. Then you can see the library here, and then there is your profile where you can log in. Can just log in with your account. You can subscribe. So you need to subscribe, choose conference pass, school pass, sport pass, just depending. And then for a month, $15 a year, $120. So yeah, it's like a standard subscription service price. It's a bit expensive though, it's more expensive than Netflix, I guess. But yeah, if you're in the season when these games are going on, you can just buy a monthly pass, I guess. And yeah, so that's the app. So if you didn't know yet, there is a specific app just for college sports. It's quite it's quite handy. So there you have it.